Step 1. Get the prompt. First, we need the prompt that will create the entire miniature scene. I've already put the prompt on my website, and you can find the link in the description of this video. Before using it, there are just a few things you need to customize. First, enter the car brand you want to use, for example, Tesla. Then enter the car model, such as Cybertruck. And finally, choose the car color, for example, white. Once you've filled in those details, simply copy the complete prompt. We'll use it in the next step to generate the video. Step 2. Generate the video. Now let's create the actual video. First, go to Google Flow and log in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, create a new project. Then make sure you're using the video generation mode. For the generation settings, select Ingredients and set the aspect ratio to Portrait 9:16. For the video model, choose Omni Flash, and for the duration, select the maximum available option, which is 10 seconds. Now, paste the prompt we copied earlier into the prompt box. Once everything looks good, just hit send and wait for Google Flow to generate your video. After a few minutes, your AI miniature car ASMR unboxing video should be ready. And that's basically it. You now have a realistic-looking miniature unboxing video that you can use for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other short-form platform.